warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all. I'm glad to see you everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anisa RAHMADIANI. I am student of STBA Pertiwi, Jakarta. In this opportunity, I would like to explain you about my presentation. I would like to explain about grammar overview. Okay, before I explain my material, I have a question for you. Have you learned about grammar? Is grammar easy for you? Yeah. I divided this material into three parts. The first part we can learn about part of speech, article, preposition, and modals. And the second part we can learn about the conjunction. There are three types of conjunction: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunction. And the last part we can learn about tenses. As we know, in elementary school, maybe or high school, we have to learn about tenses. And basically, there are any present, past, and future. The first material in this presentation. In this part, I would like to explain you about part of speech. Do you know about part of speech? Yeah, you can read and see my PPT slide. Part of speech is a class of words based on the word's function, the way it works in a sentence. The parts of speech are the noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So, let's see the image that I put on my PPT slide. Noun is the name of person, place, things, or idea. For example, book, pen, table, lamp, bag, or maybe pencil. We can call it noun. And the second is pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is used in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. Pronoun is, for example, I, you, they, we, she, he, it. We can call it pronoun. And the third is adjective. What is adjective? Adjective describes, modifier, or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Adjective is example of adjective: beautiful, smart, diligent. In the sentence, you are so diligent. She is so smart. Yeah, like that. Fourth, verb. What is verb? We usually hear about verb, transitive verb, or maybe intransitive verb. What is verb? Verb is shown an action or a state of being. Eat, sing, drink, write, swim. We can call it with verb. And the fifth is adverb. Adverb is modifier of verb and adjective or another adverb. It tells how, often, where, when, and always, seldom, or maybe name of city or place. And six, preposition. What is preposition? Preposition show the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. For example, up, in, on, up, down. We can call it with preposition. And the seventh, conjunction. Conjunction join two words, ideas, phrases together and show how they are connected. And another function is to connect two words. Okay. For example, conjunction and, but, or, so. Okay. And the last is interjection. What is interjection? Interjection is a word or phrase that express a strong emotion. For example, in the sentence, oh, whoops. Nah, we can call it with interjection. Next, we will learn about article. What is article? It uses our words that define a noun as specific or unspecific things. How to use article? There are three types of article: a, an, and the. The first is a. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal, or thing, which are not specific. If a noun starts with a consonant sound is B, C, D, F, L, M, etc. A comes before the noun. Let's see the example. A dog, a chicken, a boy, teacher, a girl, a listen, a website. And the second is an. An is used in front of singular countable noun which are not specific. And then an is start with a vowel sound. What is vowel sound? Vowel sound is A, I, O, U, E. An comes before noun. For example, an umbrella, an image, an hour, an apple, an outdoor, an enemy, etc. And last is the. The used in the front of all nouns. It doesn't not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, or uncountable. For example, the moon, the world, the sun, the atmosphere, the rain, the south, the west, the north, and etc. Next, preposition. A preposition is a word or group which used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationship, or to introduce an object. There are three types in preposition of time. First, at, to show times of day, meal times, holidays, and expression. Second is in to show about the months, season, years, decades, centuries, long periods, and parts of the day. And on to show days, dates, and parts of the specific day. After preposition of time, there are any preposition of place. Same with preposition of time, there are three types of preposition of place: at, in, and on. Let's see the image for the specific position, and we can use preposition of place for at in point, top, bottom, or end of, group activities, school, university, homework, or shops. And for the preposition in we can use to in space, territory, car, water, print material, and the last is on a surface. For example, the table, the carpet, the roof, floor, the first floor, the fifth floor, right or left, public transport, and media. But conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to connect word, phrase, and clauses. There are three types of conjunction. First, coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction. What is the function each conjunction? The first, coordinating. They coordinate between two words. For example, for, and, but, or, yet, so. Subordinating conjunction. They combine dependent clause with independent clause. For example, when, while, in order, to, that, and the last is correlative conjunction. They are used in pairs. The correlative conjunction. For example, both, blah blah blah, and not only blah blah blah, but also uh, either, or, neither, nor, if, blah blah blah, then, whether, blah blah blah, then. That is the example of correlative conjunction. Next. And the last, we learn about tenses. Maybe you have learned about tenses in your school, elementary school, or maybe high school. What is tenses? Tenses is the form of a verb that shows the time something happened or is going to happen. Basically, tenses, there are three types: past, present, and future. There are 12 types of tenses that we know, and simple form, progressive, perfect, and perfect progressive. Simple form for present, we use verb 1, past verb 2, and future after subject plus will and plus verb 1. And progressive, present. Uh, After subject, we use to be. What is to be? To be is put after subject. The to be in present, uh, there are is am, is, and are plus verb ing. In past, to be is was and were plus verb ing, and in future, subject plus will be plus verb ing. After that is perfect. In present perfect, subject plus have or has plus verb 3. In past, subject plus had plus verb 3. And in the future, subject plus will have plus verb 3. And the last is perfect progressive. But for perfect progressive, subject plus have or has plus been plus verb in, and then for the past, subject plus had plus been, and the future, subject plus will have plus been plus verb in and object. You can see the formula of tenses in my PPT slide. And then the example sentence of tenses start from simple form until perfect progressive. Alright, after all of my explanation in this material, we can conclude that grammar is a study to learn about structure of a sentence. Before I end this material, I have a good quote for you from Zig Ziglar. He said, "You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great." That's all from me. I'm Anisa and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.